show you French knot, loose French knot, long French knot. I have taken 8 strands of thread in the needle. Start from the bottom, hold the thread, place the needle back side of the thread and one rotation, pierce it very close where you have started. Hold the thread till it is going to the end like this. So this is French knot. One more time I'll do. Rotate, pierce it like this. French knot. If you want the bud to be bigger, you can rotate 2 times. 1, 2. So this is double rotation. Now we'll do loose French knot. So for loose French knot you have to rotate 2 times, 1, 2 and leave it loose. After piercing, leave it loose. So this is loose French knot. Some they will call it as ring knot also. One more time I'll do. 1, 2. After piercing you have to leave the loose. So loose French knot. Now long French knot. So hold the thread, rotate it as you do for French knot. For French knot you will pierce it very closer. For long French knot you have to calculate the distance. So if you want the French knot to be here, just pierce it there and hold the thread. So long French knot. So this is French knot with one rotation, French knot with double rotation, ring knot or loose French knot. This one is long French knot. Thank you.